Whew. Welcome people, and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hang out with your girl. I'm literally just getting off work, and so I'm getting ready to make dinner, but I got enough items to do like a meal prep. So when I meal prep, basically I cook a lot for dinner and lunch throughout the week. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I want to take you guys with me, show you guys what I do in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Show you how I meal prep. Just a disclaimer, this meal prep has nothing to do with weight loss or anything of that nature. So please don't be looking like, why she ain't got no veggies in there? Like, this is not that kind of meal prep. This is basically just out of being, you know, convenience for us. And also to help with budget, so I won't have to keep buying lunch every single day. Meal prep takes a lot, I ain't gonna lie. So people who meal prep for dietary purposes and stuff like that, and y'all stick to it every week, kudos to y'all. But I just do it occasionally when I feel like it, to be honest, or when I have a lot of like meat or like sides and stuff. I just kind of like, you know, put everything together in the meal prep containers. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, y'all. I made this Mexican street corn and I posted it on my Instagram, and I've got a lot of DMs about it. So I'll be making that along with the meal prep. So if you follow me on my Instagram and you ask for this recipe and stuff, this one's for you. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I don't know if this is the exact way to make Mexican corn, but this is Janniel's Mexican corn. All I know is it slaps, and my family love it. I love it, so I'm sure if you make it, your family gonna love it. You gonna love it too. Also, I received a PR package. I don't know who it's from, but we're gonna open it together. Let's open this package and see who it is from. So it says Creator Deck. It's like, y'all, I get so many packages, I'm trying to figure out who sent a package. So we're gonna open this one. And of course, my YouTube fam, y'all get all the behind the scenes. So when a package comes in, PR comes in or stuff like that, y'all see it first before I put it in a nice little video. So you may want to stick around so you can see all the stuff that your girl gets. It's like a shampoo or something. This brand reached out and it was like, hey, we want to gift you. I said, hey, go ahead and send it, okay? Ooh, this is nice. Guys, look how cute this packaging is. Look at that. I mean, come on. This is cute. So it's a shampoo, a conditioner, and a liquid mask. And it is Redken. The packaging is really cute, y'all. Like, when I say cute, it is super cute. I like the pink that they got going on. Yeah. That's cute. I may post about it this weekend. Mind your business. I know this says Mr. I can't find my Mrs. apron. So this is what your girl been using. My oven is preheating. I'm about to wash my meat and season it. These are all the seasonings that I plan on using. Garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose salt. Y'all, this Tabitha Brown seasoning, it's more of like a, let me show you. It's more of like a mango, pineapple, garlic type of flavor, but it's really good. Hubby made a mistake and added this to some fish that we had last night, and it was so good. So make sure y'all get your hands on this. I have paprika, rosemary, black pepper, and chicken bouillon. So I have my meat already washed and prepared, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that going. And y'all, I do not use measurements for my seasonings. I just season until my ancestors tell me when to stop. That's it. I learned from TikTok that these twist seasonings, if you twist it and turn it upside down, it comes out smoother. And I've been doing that ever since. Like, look how effortlessly that comes out versus doing this. It comes out slightly. This Tabitha seasoning, ooh Lord. This is so good. It smells so good. I love the smell and the taste.
You be on my back like a cardigan. Call her again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you had evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. Hop up in my Jeep and put your back to the side. Go against the gang, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, bang my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, the diamond is on her. Hotter than the sun, I made her ass a lot. Call her baby Potter, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say it's her. You can hit my phone, you need some help. Don't stick around, she say it's her. You can hit my phone, you need some help. You be on my back like a cardigan. We be doing that.
We're gonna sip on this Barefoot Moscato, and it is very sweet. I'm sure y'all seen this before. Nothing new. But that's what I'm about to do. Let me know in the comments if y'all drink, take a sip while you cook. Cheers. I'll save this for Sunday or Saturday. But I'm going to open my whole kernel corn and I'm gonna make my street corn. We're doing good on time. It is 8:07. Hubby usually get home like the latest 9:15. Let me drink some water. So it shouldn't be that long. That water hit the spot. Lord have mercy. Oh Lord. Okay, y'all. So let me go edit in. I'll come right back.
Yo, this gonna be fire. This gonna be fire.
Okay. So I've already drained my corn. So I'm gonna just put it in here. Just dump it out. Make sure you drain the water off. And get you some sour cream. I accidentally grabbed the light sour cream. I guess one full tablespoon. I usually put like, this is like the bonding for the corn. So this is one. So if you're not a mayo lover, I don't think this is gonna be for you. 2, 3. And then you're going to need Parmesan. This is Parmesan and Romano, but you need Parmesan. I like the taste of the I like the taste of the Parmesan and the Romano blended together, but I usually make it with just Parmesan only. So this is a 8-ounce bottle, and I'm gonna put like half in there. They gotta be cheesy, you know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna put some paprika, just a little bit, because you're gonna need some for the top. And then get you some parsley. You just dunk it in there. Dunk. You know what I'm saying? That's it. We just gonna mix it all together. Because I used to eat it as is, like straight out the container like this, all mixed together. But it's even better when you put it in like a baking dish or something. Top it with some more of the I'm gonna show y'all. Put your oven on like 350. So get you a little tin or a little baking dish. Put a little oil at the bottom because we don't want it to burn or stick. Right? And then you're just gonna pour it in there. Like, it's that easy, y'all. That easy. That is so good. The Parmesan cheese. And you're gonna put some more on at the very top. So it's cheesy and creamy. Like, I can't describe the flavor, but it's like really good, y'all. So put some more at the top. Get you some more paprika. Just kind of, you know, put a little like that, like so. And you're gonna put some more parsley at the top, kind of like top it off. And voila. This is my Mexican sweet corn. Let's set a timer for 3 minutes. Yeah, if y'all make it, please put it in the comment and let me know, or tag me on y'all social media and say, hey, I tried it. Let me know what it tastes like, because I'm addicted to it, okay? Perfect. Chef's kiss. Please try it. Look at that. Such a beauty. Okay. Ooh.
Say you're back from rich bags. Tell a pussy we no gun dip tags. Like Chinese wall, so the clip tags. Chop it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know one on a disguise, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. See tech full of band like this tag. If you make a come, me know the enemy. Them a free and me know they're not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than me. Bloody crime scene, calamity. I saw we shoot out, we and figure Canada G. Make them have a experience.